welcome to Zack's Smoke Shack. It's our 4th brand and 6th branch of the Fromage group of companies. Here we have always wanted to do barbecue, fine barbecue, as we travel all the US to get fine smoked ribs, smoked meats. And we decided, why not? I mean, there's a void in the market, so let's try our own smokehouse. We do try and experiment with our own local woods, as well as woods that we bring in, pecan, applewood, and some hickory. But our favorite so far has been our own pimento wood that we smoke our ribs and our chickens with. We Jamaicans are used to a lot of jerk. So in this sense, it's really more smoking than anything, but we do set ourselves apart as we make our own barbecue sauces. We have a sweet, Zack sweet smoke. We have a bourbon, you know, that's a little bit of our Jamaican rum. And we also have a spicy. And favorite so far that we just started doing was our Wow hot sauce. And I mean, you know, we tend to like things spicy here, so that's how we try to play it up a little bit with not just smoke, but, you know, some spicy on the side as well. We do focus on customer service, making you feel at home, you know, quick service as well. You won't have to be sitting and waiting too long to get your platters, and you can stay as long as you want, have a couple of beers, or if you want to take it to go, up to you. So we offer smoked chicken, which is smoked right in the back. We do a whole hog, so it's really pulled off the bone, chopped up. We do a couple of sandwiches with that messy hog, which consists of the roast hog with sausages on top with that coleslaw, and all our sides are made from scratch. We have our famous macaroni and cheese that's been a hit, our Cajun fries, and our potato salad. Everything is made from scratch every day and really fresh, delivered to you. And we also do our ribs, our famous ribs. The ribs are really smoky down, tender down to the bone, and once you hit it with our barbecue sauces, amazing. Finger licking good and down to the bone.